Guys, I think the Galaxy Z Fold 5 may not be the best foldable anymore because recently OPPO just announced their own version called the OPPO Find N3 and it seems to be better in all aspects. But of course, let's compare and see for ourselves. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and if you've seen my recent vlog, I brought you along with me to Singapore for the launch of the OPPO Find N3 series. And guess what? It seems that the OPPO Find N3 is the foldable with best features and specs now. By just looking at the design, we can see that the outside screen looks more like a proper phone compared to the ultra narrow one on the Galaxy. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 looks like a TV remote, haha. Also, the Find N3 is really thin and light for a foldable. It's only 5.8 mm and it weighs 239 grams only. And the screen inside, 7.8 inches. I also like that it now has an alert switch, so we can set the phone to silent, vibrate or ring without even looking at it. Screen-wise, I am truly impressed with the OPPO Find N3, as the crease on the inside screen is almost not visible anymore. The crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is still very visible and we can feel the curve as we run our fingers through it. So the flatter screen on the OPPO Find N3 is due to OPPO's latest Flexion hinge, which is 15% smaller. It also got verified by TUV Rhineland for toughness and is able to fold 1 million times like that. Like that. OPPO has done some amazing updates to the big screen UI too. I love the new multitasking interface whereby we don't necessarily have to split screen into half, but we can multitask with full screen apps. All we need to do is expand the apps and we get this borderless view up to 3 apps. There's also a global taskbar so we can access our favorite apps from anywhere. To access our files, there's also something like File Explorer on the computer, and this one is called File Pocket. We can drag files from here to anywhere we want conveniently. On the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, we also get a taskbar which is convenient, but there is no file pocket for easy access for files. The multitasking view is also kinda old school whereby we can't view apps in full screen. What is this, Samsung? You know how we always have to pick a phone with amazing camera or a phone that folds because no one has put both of them together? Well, OPPO has done it with the OPPO Find N3. It has 3 cameras on the back, 48 megapixels main camera with stacked pixel technology, 64 megapixel telephoto periscope lens and a 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens. The camera system is jointly developed with Hasselblad to ensure better light reception, color production and has realistic bokeh effects. On Samsung's side, the camera has a 50 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra-wide. Even camera specs-wise, it has been defeated by the OPPO. Now let's see some sample photos from both devices. So the photos you see here are from both devices taken at ultra-wide, main camera, 2 times, 3 times, 6 times, all the way to 10 times. Now because the Samsung can only go up to 3 times optically, if we push it all the way to 10 times, it is blurred, but not on the OPPO Find N3 because it has a proper zoom lens. Now even if you zoom in all the way, you get to see that the details is very clear. The OPPO Find N3 has a 4800 mAh battery with 67 watt Super VOOC fast charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 only has a 4400 mAh battery and fast charging is only 25 watt. Is that even fast? So there you go, I think the OPPO Find N3 has just kicked the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 off the throne and become the best foldable in the market now. The OPPO Find N3 is now available for purchase now. For more information, click on the link below this video. So if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Click on the subscribe button below this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to also follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!